everyone! Welcome back to Dash of Annie. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin scones from Animal Crossing New Horizons. With autumn on its way, these scones are the perfect treat to bake and fill your home with warm scents of pumpkin and cinnamon. In the game, you can make pumpkin scones with flour, sugar, and orange pumpkins. To create this recipe in your own kitchen, you'll need 2 cups of flour, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of pumpkin puree, a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/3 cup of half and half cream, half a cup of cold unsalted butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a pinch or 2 of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Roughly chop up your pumpkin seeds. Cut your butter into large cubes. Grab a large bowl and add your flour, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Mix it all together with a whisk. Add your cubed butter and cut your butter into the flour mixture with a pastry cutter or a fork. This will help keep the butter cold and will give your scones a nice flaky texture. In a smaller bowl, add your half and half, 1 egg, pumpkin puree, brown sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix everything together with a whisk. Pour your pumpkin mixture over your flour mixture and add your chopped pumpkin seeds. Mix everything together well with a rubber spatula. Flour a clean surface on your counter and form your dough into a round disc. Slice your dough into 8 equal slices and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Add 2 pumpkin seeds and a couple brushes of half and half onto each scone. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 minutes. Set them on a cooling rack to cool off. And now you have delicious pumpkin scones from Animal Crossing New Horizons. Enjoy these scones on a cool autumn day with a lovely scented candle and a warm mug of tea. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.